Okay, so the examples of this for Rappi is that they can go grocery shopping for you or sending money to someone. They can pay your receipts, among other things. Um, for Parqueate.com, they locate where is the nearest and the cheapest parking lot when you arrive to your final destination. This will save time because you don't have to search for empty parking lots. For Printum is that the prices they offer are 20% below compared to the rest of the competitors. This means that you will have like a great advantage because it will reduce costs. Okay, for taxi, you can order the taxi and it will arrive to your location using the GPS. You don't have to call and give your information, which makes it faster to order the service because all your data is already stored in the app. Another advantage is that the app counts with a GPS, so you won't get stuck in traffic because the driver will always take the faster route. And for domicilios, they will deliver your food to your location, which means that you don't have to go to the restaurants and get into traffic. Also, you have the opportunity to have many promotions because they make alliances with the restaurants. And these promotions, you can only get them through the app. Okay, the third type of innovation I showed was customer engagement. These innovations are all about understanding the aspiration of the customers and users and using them to develop meaningful connections between them and your company. It's important that these innovations take place in social media space because it allows communication between the company and the consumers. Also, these companies use technology to deliver graceful simplicity and incredibly, which makes life easier for customers. Okay, so the tactics I chose from these innovations are autonomy and authority, creation, experience automation, experience enabling, experience simplification. I think experience automation is very important because they remove repetitive tasks from users to simplify their lives and make the experience seem magical. Okay, in this case, for the companies I chose, Parqueate, the app makes users' life easier because it shows on a map the parking lots available in Bogota, allows to see the hours of operation, rates, and even draw routes to get from a current location to the parking lot, which will reduce a lot of time. For Rappi, they have a lot of workers available 24/7 and they are ready to deliver the products in any location. For Printu, people can design whatever they want and before doing it they already will know the price, also the products that the company will use, and they will deliver the final product to your destination. Rappi also helps the users because it offers the opportunity to pay the service with credit card, cash, or corporate vouchers, which is very important. And domicilios, they offer benefits in terms of cost, diversity of food, and they also allow users to stay home and not get into traffic just for food. Okay, so the next type of innovation is channel. These innovations encompass all the ways that you connect your company offerings with your customers and users. Skilled innovators in this type often find multiple but complementary ways to bring their products and services to customers. Their goal is to ensure that users can buy what they want, when and how they want it, with minimal friction and cost and maximum delight. The tactics I showed from this innovation were context-specific, cross-selling, diversification, experience center, go direct, indirect distribution, non-traditional channels, and on-demand. On-demand is really important because it means that they deliver goods in real time whenever or wherever they are desired. most of the companies I chose do this. For example, Rappi hire workers to collect, pick up, or deliver any product and take it to whatever place you need at any time. They work 24/7. Parqueate, the app not only take into account the parking lots of recognition brands, they also show owners of small parking lots and even private individuals. There are persons who have a parking lot on their house and they don't use it. This app shows the available parking lots at whatever time and in any area of the city. Printo gives the opportunity to people that don't have time to make calls to order a design or a specific product the opportunity to access to the platform at the available time and make an online order. You can ask for the product at whatever hour and whatever day you want. And they will deliver the product to your location. Okay, taxi hire drivers and they make a selection of these ones taking into account their resume, past operation card, mobility secretary card, and judicial background, which make it more safe for the users. Also, you can order a taxi through the app at whatever time or day you want, and it will arrive to your location. Domicilios hire people who will take your order to your location. They have many people that are available to deliver the food. Domicilios have a lot of workers because they want to attend as many users they can. So this is the reason why they are always hiring new people. Okay, so the last type of innovation I chose was brand. This innovation helps to ensure that consumers and users recognize, remember, and prefer your offerings from the competition. These are typically the result of strategies that are implemented across many points between a company and their customers, including communication, advertising, service interaction, channels environment, and employment. Brand innovation can transform commodities into prized products. This will give value to their offerings and, of course, to the firm. So, the tactics I show from this type of innovations are brand extension, brand leverage, certification, co-branding, company branding, and private label. In the case of the companies I chose, I think co-branding are the tactic they use a lot because it combines brands to mutually reinforce key attributes or enhance the credibility of an offering. Okay, so the examples of this type of innovation in Rappi is that the app has changed the whole market by introducing a complete new service that no other company in the country offers. They work with many brands offering great variety of products and also they make tasks that the users don't have time to handle. Parqueate with the app, it's easy to find parking spaces by increasing the offer of parking spots through the mobile marketplace, enabling non-commercial parking providers to make money by renting their available parking spot. Printo offers a totally different and innovative service since it provides to users the ability to create and design whatever they want. There isn't a company in the market that brings to your home the product they offer with the same quality and with such affordable prices. Tapsi operates with transparency because when you request a service and enter the location, it shows you the travel first, and these do not change if there is traffic. Also, it optimizes time and distance since it has a GPS. And Domicilios guarantee users food with the best quality from a great variety of restaurants and an affordable price, fast and they deliver the order at any location. Okay, so to conclude, I think these firms had developed a completely different business model from their competitors. This is the reason they had won recognition and a name in the market, and they keep innovating and getting better every time.